தமிழர் நேயர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நம்ம இருக்கிறது பார்த்தோம்னா நாட்ராக்ஸ் வெஹிக்கிள் டெஸ்டிங் ட்ராக்கில் இருக்கோம். அதாவது ஏசியாலேயே ஒன் ஆஃப் த பிக்கெஸ்ட் வெஹிக்கிள் டெஸ்டிங் லேப் ட்ராக்குன்னு சொல்லலாம். ஸோ இங்கே எதுக்கு முக்கியமாக வந்தோம்னா அப்பல்லோ டயர்ஸோட எண்டு ட்ராக்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு டிப்பர் லாரி டயர்ஸ் வந்து டெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறக்காக வந்திருக்கோம். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி விஷயங்களுக்கு சம்மந்தமாக நம்ம 2 இன்டர்வியூ எடுத்திருக்கோம். ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக அதையும் பாருங்கள். Hello, Dinamala viewers. We are with Apollo Tyres Group Head Marketing, Vikram Garga, sir. Hello, sir. A big congrats on manufacturing such an amazing tipper tires. So we are here in Natrax vehicle testing track to test this amazing Apollo Endutrax tipper tires. Before experiencing this, we would like to know more on this product briefly, sir.
So, Apollo Endutrax is one of our toughest tires, and it is made for the toughest vehicles, which is the tippers. Apollo is technology that is proven in every segment. Tippers is a segment where there are significantly tough conditions with lot of overloading, with lot of terrains like mines, carrying from sand to metal to iron ore and taking them both on-road and off-road. It is very important that under these tough conditions our tires perform. Endutrax have been specially designed for them. We work very closely with our customers and with our OEMs, and hence this technology is proven well before even launching the product.
So could you speak on durability and reliability in terms of kilometers and load carriage of this Apollo Endutrax tires?
So Apollo Tyres Endutrax are one of the most durable tires. It's got a significantly strong casing, very high on tread design, which gives it the right traction even in the most difficult situation. It's got fantastic bead technology which allows the weight to be managed in different dynamics that happens on the truck. All this makes the truck carry any possible load that the fleet customer wants. But more importantly, it delivers a very good mileage of 50,000 kilometers and upwards in the toughest of the situations. And that, I think, is a testimony that our products will deliver not just for performance any given day, but on a day-on-day basis, and therefore it's a trusted performance of our customer.
Technically, what you have improved in this Apollo Endutrax tires when you compare it with its predecessor?
So, like I said, it's an ongoing process. We are always finding ways to improve our product, whether it is the casing, whether it is the bead, whether it is the tread pattern, because every vehicle OEM, with the change of the technology, the demand from the tires only go up. We have ensured that it has got the most advanced casing technology. Its bead has got the right technology which allows it to withstand the pressure or the load dynamics that comes on the tire. And the cut and chip compound that goes into the tread, even if it has to go through the boulders or onto the stones, it does just enough to go over it without allowing it to pierce it. And I think this is a continuous improvement process, and every new product launch we ensure that it delivers better than the previous one.
Apollo Tyres manufacture a variety of tires starting from 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, off-road vehicles, heavy vehicles, industry application, agriculture application. So which is your strongest point in terms of sales, sir?
So, every category is unique in itself in terms of what it needs. It is also unique in itself in terms of the size that it is. But I'm very proud to say that Apollo Tyres is amongst number 1, 2, 3 or 4 in almost every category. We are number 1 in PCR, we are number 1 in TBR, we are amongst the top 2, 3 in the, we are number 1 in MCR, We are 2 to 3 in the farm tires, and of course, we also have off-highway construction equipment tires category as well, which gives us tremendous confidence that we have a proven technology. It is indigenous to us, and we have got access to global technology because we have both technology developed in India and we also have R&D in Europe. So we can bring the best of the technology in and make it relevant for the markets where we serve.
Could you elaborate more on Apollo Tyres' strategy for market expansion and customer engagement in India?
So we go where the customers are. We've got the widest dealer network. We've got the biggest sales and service network. We provide services to our customers right at their doorstep in terms of fitment service, in terms of monitoring of the tires, and in terms of giving them the service what is needed. We have the most agile supply chain, which will allow us to go right into the interiors of the country, right up to the villages where even a two-wheeler tire can be Apollo tires can be fitted and made available. And we believe that we also need to build the brand with the customers. So we have Sachin Tendulkar as a brand ambassador. We have tie-up at the global level with Manchester United, and we ensure that we communicate all our new product launches to our customers in the most compelling way, so that the customers' trust on the brand is built and our dealers who are strong advocates further cement it, and that is perhaps the best way for us to see that the customers enjoy the trusted performance of Apollo tires. Okay, so Apollo Tyres is a full range player. From small tires for bikes to trucks and tractors. Everywhere Apollo is a formidable number 1 or number 2, 3 player. If you look at the radial segment, in the trucks, in the cars and in the bikes, we are amongst number 1. When it comes to bias, we are a strong number 2 in the truck segment. When it comes to farm tires, we are again amongst the top 3. When it comes to construction equipments and industrial tires, we are amongst the top 3. So Apollo has been able to develop technology, have been able to bring in whether indigenous or global technology, which we have an access through our R&D in Europe apart from in India, to see that we work very strongly with OEMs and we work with our customers, as a result always bringing out trusted performance across the range of products that we offer to them.
Sir, we would like to listen on Apollo Tyres' approach to sustainability and environmental responsibility in its manufacturing processes.
So Apollo has sustainability right at the center of its vision. It is one of the 5 pillars of our Vision 2026. We believe that we have a responsibility towards the community, towards the environment and towards our customers. We have already developed the EV tires. We were amongst the most, amongst the first EV dedicated tires manufactured in the company for passenger vehicles. We have developed the most fuel efficient tires for the truck segment, where it can deliver up to more than 10% fuel. That's on the what we offer to the market. But in terms of the consumption of energy, there also Apollo is playing a big role. We've got a 100% biomass plant in Andhra Pradesh. We've got more than 50% solar panel consumption energy supplying into our other plants. We are looking at sourcing more than 40% of our raw material into the compound made out of sustainable material. Not only that, we also are looking at end-of-life tires of extending their purpose. We have got more than 15 tires to turf, which is where we repurpose the rubber crumbs from disposed of tires and convert that into playgrounds for children. All this are initiative towards making Apollo brand as a sustainable brand for future.
Where does Apollo Tyres stand in terms of research and development to maintain a competitive edge in this tire industry?
Apollo Tyres is amongst the leading company in the tire industry in terms of the investment we make as a percentage of our revenue in R&D. Like I said, we have got a global R&D center in Chennai. We have one in Europe. We work with all the leading OEMs across the various vehicle categories to see that we develop technology and we develop state-of-the-art product for the markets, not only for India but even abroad. All this ensures that we continue to invest into our product, into our technology and take it to our customers.
Sir, you can proceed with anything you would like to share with us, sir.
Well, I would say that Apollo is a brand known for trusted performance. We have shown what we can deliver to our customers through experiential events like this, where we bring our customers to really try our tires, put them to the test, and see that they will come out with flying colors. We believe that we will continue to do so in showing customers about the performance of our tires going forward. Today we are at NATRAX, the biggest Asia's testing center. Tomorrow we could be in different parts of the country. But one thing I can assure you, we'll always be getting closer to our customers in not just experiencing the product, but also building their trust on it.